It's like New York, but Southeast Asia. All right, so I made it here to Thailand, to Bangkok specifically. I'm at Sukhumvit. I just realized, bro, I'm right next to like the crazy happy ending massages. Should we go to one? No, I'm kidding. It's just crazy that it's so out in the open here. I am so tired. I feel like my heart is about to explode. We are in Bangkok. We made it. It's definitely a busy place. Definitely gritty and dirty. It's like New York, but Southeast Asia. I miss Tokyo already, I'm not gonna lie. I wish I was in Tokyo right now, but this is an experience. It is definitely an experience. I don't even know what I should do at this point. I want to go to Terminal 21, but it opens at 10 a.m. So I don't know if I should just, 7-Eleven would be good. Let's go to 7-Eleven. Let's go to 7-Eleven right there. It's right over there. So we're doing that today. Honestly, I just want to go back to Japan. That's the crazy part. I just want to go back to Japan right now. Got some pre-made foods. I don't know what to eat, to be honest. Got these protein drinks for 49 baht. I wonder how much that is in dollars. It must be like $1. It's $1.32 for a whole drink. Pickled mango for 20 baht. What else? And I'll get the chicken sandwich, right? Can't believe I paid $1.51 for these two things. $1.51. This would have cost me like what, 10 bucks in the US? Wow, this is insane. You see this right here? The Thai omelet, 35 baht. That's $1, a literal dollar just to eat Thai omelet with rice. Crazy. Literally 90 cents for this, guys. Crazy, crazy. Where else are you gonna pay like 90 cents for pad Thai? Nowhere else, literally nowhere else. So it's not that much food, I will admit. Portions are small, but it's 90 cents. That's spicy. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm here still. I don't know where this is, but just enjoy the sights. I want to move here, guys. Should I move here? Honestly, should I? This is bougie. This is nice. Made it to the hotel finally. Checked in at 1 p.m. and let's check it out. Looks nice, small, very, very small. No TV, but we got an AC, so that's a win. Pretending to be a door. Awesome. Just walk in here. Can't show the feet for free. Amazing views. Lovely. There's the Hyatt Regency right there. I bet they have a pool over there. Finally, a place to sleep. That's it. A bed. I honestly don't even want to go to this rooftop bar. I'm supposed to go to Tachuka rooftop bar tonight, but not really what I'm trying to do. So let's see. Yeah, so we're going to Tachuka rooftop bar. The way it works is you go in line back there. They give you a menu. You choose, you have to pay like for the drink up front, kind of like Miami. I'm excited. I met some people here from Turkey and Italy, so it's cool. So today we're at MBK Center in Bangkok. I'm trying to get some food after last night. I went to bed at like 2:40 a.m., 2:30 a.m. Woke up at 7 a.m. with a massive headache. Then I took like a NyQuil and went back to bed, and I woke up at 3 p.m. here. My hair is looking a little military. I mean, I'm literally looking about, so I'm potentially gonna get a job offer that's remote, but it seems to be a lot of work and I have to pay rent. So I'm thinking about enlisting the Air Force just to literally not pay rent, which is crazy, but it'd be 4 years of no rent. There's a lot of money saved. Oh, they got some ramen out there. They got some tea, some bubble tea, some pure matcha. That'd be nice. That'd be nice to get some matcha. I'll be honest, it's a cool city. It's a cool city, but I spent like 7 hours in Tokyo, and I feel like those 7 hours in Tokyo were better than my entire time that I've been in Bangkok so far. I think I just like the cleanliness and the structured, the way it's structured in Tokyo, right? It might not be as like free or as like enticing or whatever, but it might be just the type of place that I want to live in. The question is, how do I make that happen? Man, I'm hungry. Like, I want food, and I don't want any of that like cheap fast food, you know? I want like good quality food. I literally make the matcha at home the same way. Love it. Good to know. Now I just need ice on it. Goes to show that matcha's super cheap to make at home. The only reason you go get it outside in the US is because you want to be bougie. You don't really need to. Honestly, it tastes just like matcha, like grass. But look at this. Man, all this looks amazing. I'm definitely gonna get something here. The question is what? Here we got some maricada, I don't know, like a paella or fried rice with shrimp. This is insane. I think this is where the park is. Let me see. They got Arabica coffee right here, which is awesome right there. But I'm not trying to grab coffee. I'm just trying to see the park right now. Wow. Wow. This looks crazy. Let me do a screenshot right here. All those buildings right there. The skyline's insane. Yeah, you can tell there's a lot of pollution in this city. You can absolutely tell. But this is beautiful. Oh, that's the spot right there. That's what you see on Instagram. Right there. Honestly, I don't know. I guess Tokyo. Like, I say that because I was only there for like 7 hours total. I'm like actually walking. It took me about an hour to get into the city. Not even like, yeah, I would say so, like including like immigration and everything. But man, I don't know. Like here, it's obviously affordable and everything, but I'd rather pay a bit more to feel safer in Japan. Obviously, there's a lot of things that, this is not a Japan video, we can do it later, but look at this. I don't know, it's just different. It's like chaotic. And it's cool and all, but I like my serenity, you know? I like my peace and quiet now. I don't know what it is. I do not know what it is. Today's my last day here at Bangkok. I'm just trying to see everything I didn't see. I didn't go to any temples because personally, I'm not a fan of like the typical attractions that everyone likes to go to. I'm not trying to be different or hipster. It's just like cool. If I saw it on YouTube so many times, I don't really feel the need to go see it in person. One of my friends said that I like bougie things and I denied it, but I guess I do. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the way I raised. Maybe it's because my dad is pretty bougie, but yeah, pretty nice. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, you tell me this, like, I don't know, it just looks clean. Like, you'd like to be here, right? You'd like to stay here. Crazy traffic. Every day. Wow. It reminds me of back home. Miami, Florida, it's like this. I don't know. Seems a little dodgy, a little seedy. I gotta shout out Los Blanc, to be honest, because because I used to think he was wrong about Bangkok, but he's pretty right. Like, it's not for everybody, and I feel like it breeds a certain type of person that's a little too chaotic for my liking. Sukhumvit 8 looks fire, doesn't it? They got some tailor-made suits and everything, but man, these people a little crazy, I will admit. I don't know, it's like scary. Woo. Scary for me to be around these people, to be honest. I'm a little too PG for this. They got the tuk-tuks. Never rode one, but maybe next time. Just right there. Just not my vibe right now. Yeah. But time to pack everything and call it a day. That's what we're doing. I had a goal of coming here before I turned 30, no matter the cost, and I made that happen. But here I am at Suvarnabhumi Airport. It's massive. Like, look at this. I know in videos everything looks a little smaller. In real life, like with your own two eyes, it just looks more majestic, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're just gonna go. Anyways, let's go. So I need to find Qatar Airways right now. I don't know where the heck it is. Oh, there's right there. It's supposed to be row K. So that's where I'm going. Over there. Got my hands busy. We going. We going. We going. We good.